Well, guys, I'm here preparing to leave again. This time we're going to Louisville, Kentucky. Got my driver, Kevin, taking me to the airport. Kevin, say hello to YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
So, we're off to the airport. I'll get to Louisville around 11 p.m. their time. That's going to be fun. But anyway, we'll be on this journey. We have a 2-day install tomorrow and Wednesday. I'll be there the whole week because I'm gonna be there in case the guys need something, and I gotta help them out on the way out. So I'll just stay, and then we'll leave, come back home, and then we'll be home for a few days and head to Atlanta for MRO in Atlanta. So Black Ops is busy. We just got to doing the job in we just got through leaving LA on Sunday. Had a great show there for the what was it? CurlyCon. LA was a beautiful thing. So yep, we will keep you guys posted. Black Ops out. Well, I made it on the plane, and I mean barely. So excuse the perspiration, because I had to break out the old Black Ops golf towel, because boy, I barely made it. Can I say barely made it? I barely made this flight. So we're here, we're on. We're filming. As you can see, they're boarding. We are Louisville bound, folks. Black Ops Show Services, Trade Show Chronicles. Louisville bound. I'll hit you when I touch down in Louisville. Black Ops out. YouTube, I made it to Louisville. Off the plane and headed to baggage claim. Here we go. It was a good flight. A little bumpy. Had some turbulence. Turbulence don't bother me. It don't scare me anyway. Get my usual one to sleep. But yeah, it was a good flight. Had some rough turbulence. But overall, it's good. I'm here. How's it going, bro? Yeah, I made it. Wow. Yeah, guys, I couldn't give you much content on the way in because I was running late. I was literally, the plane was boarding when I was literally checking my bags at the curb. I don't know how I messed that up. I'm always at the airport 2 hours early. But anyway, we made it. We made it on time. Let's see if my bag got in. It's so darn late. The guy told me, it might be here on the plane after yours. You shall see.
3335, arriving from Las Vegas. It's now available at baggage claim C. Thank you.
We shall see.
Ladies and gentlemen, baggage from United Airlines, Flight 3609, arriving from Newark, is now available at baggage claim A. Thank you.
I was just checking into my room. I'm in. Just turning the light. Okay. This will work. Yeah. This will be home for the next 7 days. Yeah, this will work just dandy. So yeah, we're here doing what we do. Lifetime Shift Services. There we go. Nice little room, huh? So tomorrow morning I'll get up around 6 and we'll get this party started. Oh, I got a little kitchenette too. Cool. I'll get crack-a-lacking on getting this booth going up for our client. Got Ryan here in Austin. They're gonna handle business. I'm gonna jump in there with them and get it done. So I'll be the third person on this job because I promised the client I would. They want to try to expedite it, get it done. We're gonna try to probably work a 12-hour day tomorrow, minimum 10, hopefully maybe 12, whatever it takes. Black Ops Services, we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna make it do what it do. So anyway, until mañana, Black Ops Show Services out. Grand Rising YouTube, Black Ops Show Services, Dennis Taylor here at Trade Show Chronicles. I'm about to leave for the Exposition Center here in Kentucky, where the event will be taking place. We'll be doing here this fine morning. So as I wait for my Lyft to pick me up and drop me off, my guys already left. They had breakfast. I had a little meeting with them this morning to let them know what to look forward to as far as the event. And they took off already in the truck to get started. I'm behind them. It's coming up on what? 7:19 here local time in Louisville. So I am prepared to come in and we're gonna start knocking this thing down today. Get it pretty much done. That's the goal. Might be a 10-hour day, maybe 12. But we're gonna take care of business, make this client happy, and do what Black Ops always do. So I'm just gonna take a moment to sorry about that, guys. Take a moment to show the lobby of where I'm staying here. Elevators where I came in. I had the opportunity of having breakfast this morning. Right over here, here's the coffee station, teas, and some more seating area here. And also we have a workout facility here. I was in his bad boy last night because I was hungry. And they have other amenities here, which I will scour when I get back tonight from workout. Okay, my Uber Lyft will be here in about 3 minutes. I just want to give you guys a little tour before I head out. So, as always in parting, Black Ops out. Okay, YouTube, I'm here at the booth. We got Ryan and Austin already starting the process. These guys laying the carpet padding for the carpet. I'll take you through the crates. Carpet padding. That's client's equipment right there. Client's equipment right there. And it's more about stuff. And my guys are getting crack-a-lacking on this. I'm gonna get out of the way and let them do what they do. Huh?
Starts time lapse over.
Oh, you changed your mind?
Yep.
Uh-huh.
You gotta redo the intro, everything.
We're gonna say, Brian messed up, folks, so just forget about this part.
Alright, take 2.
I'm gonna show you guys around and see. This is a trucking event, Mid-America Trucking Show 2025. Mid-America Trucking Show. That's what we got here. Trucks on deck here, folks. Trucks on deck. Peterbilt, K. Whoppers, Ken Woods. Come on. Good morning. Gentlemen, get a question for you. I'm already bumming. If you guys got a couple of rolls of double face you can spare, let me know. No, if you can't. If you don't, let me know. I'll have to handle it another way.
I was gonna say we're down to the.
No,
we got 1
I'll tip back with you. I'll tip back with you in about an hour. Thanks, man. Okay, I'll make it. We'll figure it out. Thank you. My client didn't send me. Yeah, going double face. Okay, guys, Ryan and Austin laid the carpet. I jumped in, gave him a hand. Now we're laying out the B matrix so we can start building this bad boy. Okay, we are building the United Pacific booth here at the Mid-America Trucking Show. The meat matrix came out of this crate right here. That's where the B matrix came from. You've been on plenty of videos already, Ryan, trust me. I got you on that Colorado job last year. We did last March, remember?
It always gets me doing like videos.
Now you're gonna be a star now too, Austin. You're gonna be an internet sensation on YouTube. Just so you know, get ready for all the girls that are gonna be calling you.
For all the girls?
All the girls will say, who is that guy?
See, my problem is I make it look so easy.
That's the problem right there.
I come off as lazy.
Yeah, that's it. That's what it is.
It doesn't seem like I'm working hard at it.
That's exactly what it is,
The
Ryan.
same amount done, I'm just not sweating.
You guys heard it here, folks. You heard it here first, folks. You heard it here first. We have fun out here, guys. We have fun.
You don't be letting your shit blow over in our booth.
Again?
Whenever you back in that stuff, you want to do this.
We're gonna leave these guys for a while. We're gonna walk around. I just saw one of the trucks I want to show you guys on the channel. One of the Talladega 500 tow trucks, I believe it is. We're gonna spin around, see if I was right. Now, let me tell you why this Talladega means a lot to me. My mom and dad are buried in that county, in our family cemetery in Talladega County. My family's from Talladega. My great-granddaddy, granddaddy, yeah, my great-uncles, they watched the super speedway being built in Talladega. My family from Talladega County, Leeds. That's Talladega County. Yeah. So Talladega means a lot to me. My brother still lives over there, my youngest brother, Chris Taylor. He lives in Talladega County. I have a sister there too. Yeah. When my boys were young, my two oldest, they used to go out there and work on the track during the races. So since I was a little boy, that track, that community is in our bloodline. So, a little bit about me, a little bit about this track, Talladega Fiberglass. Yeah, Talladega, Alabama, y'all. My roots on my mama's side. Man, pretty real you got here, young man. Very, very nice looking.
Thank you.
Yes, indeed. You don't see many cab overs these days anymore.
Especially not one like this.
I was gonna say, but you beat me to it. That's nice. I like that.
It rides like a Cadillac.
Yeah, I bet it does. I bet it does. Wow, very nice.
We're trying to get them from Sweden over into America.
We need it. We need it. Yeah, I've seen them. You know, you see them overseas. It's real popular. But even over in Asia, they drive them a lot too.
Yep.
But yeah, this is that's nice.
This one here actually comes from Finland.
Really?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Awesome.
It's the only one in the United States.
Wow. Really?
It's the only one.
It does something.
It's the only brand new one.
Gotcha. I got you. I got you.
It's
Well,
all brand new.
well, nice to meet you. God bless you, man. And have a great show.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for the time.
No problem.
It's gonna be a cool show. How we doing there, young man? How's it going today?
All right.
All right, all right. I see you tightening it up, huh?
Yes, sir. Thanks, man.
This is gonna be a cool show. Look at that old cab over right there. Wow. Chromed out. Hey, looky there. Boy, looky there. That's nice. Button, tuck, and roll and filter upholstery interior. Man, you don't see that no more. Wow. Nice. Look at this. Look at this. How you doing over here, young buck?
How you doing, bro?
I'm just do my little YouTubing, but I want to just check you out. I'm Dennis Taylor. How you doing?
How you doing? Cedric, man.
Cedric, nice to meet you, Cedric. You gonna be on YouTube, just letting you know.
All right, ain't no problem, man.
Nice rig you got here, Cedric. Nice rig. Oh, this is cool. I love trucks. This is a little boy. Look at that Cummins diesel. Look at that bad boy, eh? Eh? The X15. Cool trucks, man.
We got unloaded faster than we did last year.
Cool trucks. Oh, look at that low riding Kenworth. The K, we call him the K Whopper. Yeah, K Whopper. Old school. There you go. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Look what we got here. Looky, looky, looky. Wow. Nice, man. Look at that interior. Button tuck. Yeah. Gotta love it. Little prelude to the show, folks. I'll come back during the show and get some show footage. But we're gonna get some pre-show footage right now. Nice. Cleaning them up, getting them ready for the show. That machine, what did you see go by? It's called how we call it a condor. That's a trade name for it anyway. Brian and Austin are installing the SEG fabric onto the booth. getting close. Once this part of the process is done, they will begin to build out the reception counters and winding it down. Put up the stem lights, winding it down.
Figure out how I'm gonna get this side graphic started. I'm trying to figure out. Oh yeah, it's empty now.
Just push the crate back. Ain't no big deal. We'll do that. We got you. Hold on. I'm gonna move this and then we'll move the crate. Hey Ryan, let's push the crate back. Hold on. Hey, you know what? Put that on top. Put it. We're gonna use that bad boy. Yep. Put it on top. There you go. What we do? Solve problems.
I hear you. It's just SEG wall, man.
You're teaching them right, Ryan. You're training them right. Looks good, guys. Give those fingers a break, young man. Give those fingers a break. Good luck, guys. Need me again? Hold on, Ryan. You wouldn't happen to have any microfiber wire. Good morning, folks. Black Ops Services, day 2 of install here at the Mid-America Trucking Show. I'm here, Dennis Taylor, your helpful host. Let me stop clowning. Anyway, I'm gonna spin around and show you our booth again. Like I said, day 2 of the install for the 2025 Mid-America Trucking Show here in beautiful Louisville, Kentucky, folks. Here we go. Doing all right today? Good. Show you some of our booth here. Ryan's here doing some electrical work. We had some LED lights that came in broken. As you can see, Ryan's making it work. He's taking care of business for him. That's why he's the lead man. We'll be wrapping up here today, but I'll let you guys see what we're doing here, what our crew is taking care of. Looking good, young man. Hey, you want to borrow my ladder? Come on over here and get this ladder, man. Sure. Yeah, just grab it. You know what to do. Hey, Ryan, is a 6-foot available? 6-foot ladder available? Oh, they do? I want to let somebody else borrow. All right, they're good. Dave, you're doing a good job, in case nobody told you.
All right.
I just want you to know that.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes, sir. People always tell you when you do bad, you don't tell you when you do good. Right? Am I right?
Are you hiring?
Yes, actually I am. You guys are gonna watch Ryan do a little surgery on this carpet. Let me get you the banding, Ryan.
Yeah, it's a head down for it.
I know. Hey, I'm with you. That's it, but that's one of that's negative.
Make myself a 45-foot extension cord back.
Oh, yes, sir.
Oh, my bad, 44.
44? That's true, yeah.